Good morning. So we were supposed to wake up at 8 a.m. this morning, but we slept like at 3 o'clock New York time last night. It's already 11:15 or something, but it's okay. We needed to rest, and I think the world is already starting. So we'll see you and we'll vlog some more later. Alright, bye.
This is my day 2 look. So I'm done putting my moisturizer, my foundation. So pretty much I'm done. Thank you. Bye. This is what I use to bake my face. This is Laura Mercier. Guys, I'm gonna put my eyeshadow. I'm craving for the chocolate. Hot dark chocolate. I just ate and I'm thinking about drinks and food right now. I really can't stay. I got to go away. This evening has been so very nice. I feel like my husband's sleeping. Because if he's not, he's singing right now and trying to compete. Hon! You're sleeping again? You just woke up. The hell? So this is my eyebrows. I know I need to fix it, but I'm gonna fix it later. But whatever. I like putting my eyebrows kind of thick. I'm almost done. Maybe like 1 hour more. I like this because you don't need to put eyelash extension because it's already nice for me.
Kakami yung bag ko. May magdurukot dito.
Photo
This is the Highline Kamar. Where are we?
I don't know.
It's the Highline. It's like a couple blocks from our place. This is the view. Goes all the way the other side. So it's actually not that cold. I mean, considering it's winter, because we're only wearing like 2 layers, 2.5 layers. It's not bad, but this is the view. I guess this was an old train or a station. They just converted it into like a park. I heard it's really nice during the summer, but everything else is pretty much not existent. You know, plants are all dried out. Of course, May's taking her own little shot. Hi, hi. But she was sweating earlier, so. It's like that. So right now we're gonna go to the other side. Park. Call this place a park. Ano? Ako lahat? Okay, so she's complaining about holding the other camera. But you know what? She's gonna use that a lot when the pictures come out. This is like the old tracks. You see it? There's the vessel. We're gonna go there next.
Really? I wanna eat something.
We're gonna go up, but May's foot hurts, so we're not going to. And I think you need tickets again. I think it's free. Central Park. We just took an Uber. Oh, you're videotaping me too. Yeah.
So we're here at Central Park. Right now it's cold.
Too late to put my stabilizer on. Woman rink at Central Park. It's not as big as I thought it was going to be, but it's right there. I don't know if you can tell, but there's like sitting ducks on this frozen ice of a lake almost, but pond I should say. And where are we headed to? The Plaza Hotel. Alright, we're gonna get our Home Alone fix. Lost in New York, and you know what? We were lost last night. Okay, let's go. So it's barricaded, so you can't go in the plaza, but at least we see it from the outside. I guess it's for safety for the guests, right? Safety. This is the location. Alright, so we're here at Ichiran and we're gonna try their ramen. And what else? I got pudding. Did you get pudding?
No.
Okay. So we're gonna. So it looks like this. And I'll videotape it when it comes in. Jenny. Okay. It tells you how to crack the egg simple way. We're gonna try it and see if it works out. So this was made because it's supposed to, the booth is to help you not get distracted if you're eating, so you can enjoy ramen. But I'm sitting next to her, so I gotta distract her. Like, oh, look at that. That's good. Okay, so first reaction. It's really hot. Let's try it. It's good. It's really good.
May nangangapit bahay. Nandito ka na, may sarili ka ng lungga.
This is the matcha pudding. So I tried it, and now May's gonna try it. I thought it was like perfect combination of like sweet and matcha flavors. What do you think? Right? It's like almost like a matcha flan. You have to be a real matcha lover. Let me try it.
Actually good. Like making things. But it's good.
Really good. And it's like very, it's so small portion. Like this is the portion. That's how small it is. So it's like perfect. There's one thing I forgot to show you guys, and it's this romaine. There's that little ball, and it stops like the plunger. Right? It stops it.
I shall be
So, right here at the top of the rock.
And it's beautiful, and look at that skyline. New York skyline. Exquisite. So this is the bottom of the Rockefeller ice skating. So this is the Swarovski crystal star above that tree behind. This is what it looks like. Feminist hello.
Can you have the other half?
Yeah. We got the beef. We got the
Spicy.
beef spicy lamb. Okay, we'll try.
Beef and lamb.
Beef and lamb.
How is it?
We've been reviewing inside the room because if we review at the restaurant, it's super loud and crowded. You can't hear us. Mmm.
That's spicy.
Mm-hmm. It is spicy.
It's not
So if you like Mediterranean, it's perfect. And we make our own baklava at home, but let's try the legit type. It's only like $1.50 here.
There's two kinds.
It's super sweet. We bought two different kinds. And this is the other one. Let me just try it.
I would pour some coffee.
I love that. Alright. That's our short review. We'll see you again later. Bye.